Hello everyone. My name is Nurse Helen, and this is my story. How God led my comeback after one of the hardest seasons of my life. The breaking point. There was a time when I felt completely broken. I was giving my all as a nurse. Long night shifts, endless emergencies, and constant pressure. But no matter how hard I worked, I faced criticism, rejection, and emotional exhaustion. Then came the unexpected. Personal struggles. Health challenges. Everything seemed to crumble at once. One night after a long shift, I sat alone and whispered, "Lord, I've cared for so many people. But who will care for me?" I didn't know it then. But God wasn't punishing me. He was preparing me. The turning point. During those difficult nights, I started praying differently. I stopped asking God to remove the storm, and started asking Him to teach me through it. And slowly, He began to move. Encouragement came from unexpected people. A patient's kind word, a mentor's message, a reminder that God still saw me. Then one day, I got an email about an international nursing opportunity. Something inside me whispered, "Apply." So I did, and I prayed, "Lord, if this is your will, let it be done." Weeks later, I opened my inbox, and there it was, approved. Not just a job offer, but a door to a new beginning. The comeback. The journey wasn't easy. There were delays, fears, and moments of doubt. But this time, I had something stronger than confidence. I had faith. Every challenge reminded me that God's delays are not His denials. He was writing a comeback story I couldn't have written myself. Little by little, everything started to change. My career, my finances, my peace of mind. But most of all, my relationship with God grew deeper than ever. The lesson. Looking back now, I realize God never left me. He was shaping me in the silence. He was teaching me to trust, not in my own strength, but in His perfect timing. My setbacks became setups. My pain became purpose. And my scars became stories of grace. The testimony. Today, I stand here as Nurse Helen, a living testimony that God restores, redeems, and rebuilds. If you're a nurse, or anyone going through a storm, I want you to know, God sees you. He hasn't forgotten you. The same God who led me through will lead you too. Because when God writes your comeback story, every tear becomes a testimony, and every trial becomes a triumph. How God led my comeback, a nurse's story of faith and victory. Thank you for watching. If this story touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so more people can know that God is still in the business of restoring lives.